At Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver, we understand that every roof tells a story of protection and resilience. As a trusted roofing company near Sloan Lake, Denver, Colorado, we take pride in crafting roofs that stand strong in every season. Your home deserves more than just a roof. It deserves a safeguard against Denver's extreme weather. Our team is committed to providing durable solutions tailored to your unique needs. We specialize in high-quality materials designed to complement Denver's distinctive architecture. Your roof will not only protect but also enhance the beauty of your home. A damaged roof can disrupt your peace of mind, but we're here to help. Our repair and replacement services are designed to restore both the functionality and appearance of your home. With decades of expertise, we know how to navigate the complexities of insurance claims. We'll make sure the process is smooth and stress-free from start to finish. We believe in building more than just roofs. We build connections with our clients. Your satisfaction and trust drive everything we do. Located near Sloan Lake, we're proud to be part of your community. Whether it's a small repair or a complete roof replacement, we're here to protect your home and family. Call us at 970-545-0020 or visit sites.google.com/view/roofing-near-sloan-lake-co. Let us create a roof that gives you confidence and peace of mind for years to come. Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver. Roofing solutions built for the Mile High City.